lane, slow down. Cut right. Go around to the left. Oh, they're beached. Nice. Pretty much straight out until we hit those.
Okay. Check behind us.
Yeah, killing it.
Look behind us.
You got it. Oh. Clear.
Good. Thank you.
We got a slight left coming up. It looks like it's gonna be a chicane pretty much.
This is the goat trail.
Right. Followed by another right. Dropping down into here. We got a left and then a right around the outside of the hill. We got a left away from the hill and then a right back around it. Then we got another left away from the hill and a right back around it. Just take it down the side.